What music is it? Mama's here. OG.
Yep, OG.
Carry me. So we're in Manukau. It's Malaysian
Called
dish.
Yummy place.
Yummy kitchen.
Yeah.
Yummy kitchen.
Authentic ass, you know what I'm saying?
He wanted to eat like Hainanese chicken, which is what's it? It's
So
like
it's
a
basically steamed chicken. Soy steamed chicken. It's good.
mom goes. It's like real spicy.
I'm brown. I can handle the spice.
Sure. It's really cute. Legit Malaysian.
Some legit.
Oil rice, is it? Or what's it called? I don't know.
It's chicken rice.
Chicken rice, yeah. Oil chicken rice.
So obviously we know who doesn't cook here. So it's actually chicken fat and like a little bit of broth. That's how you make chicken rice. You know, my sister actually knows how to make this, like super good. And my mom, she knows how to make Penang laksa. Yeah, the one with the fish. Yeah.
How is it? Good. Curry laksa.
Mm.
This is the best curry laksa. The Penang curry, oh no.
No.
The Penang laksa is the best one.
Yeah, so there's like two versions of laksa. There's like the fish laksa and then there's like the
You have to be louder.
curry laksa. In Malaysia we call it mee curry, not curry laksa.
So spicy.
What? Curry? Yeah. Lamb. But I'm like, it's different. That's not very spicy. That's my mom's. I can ask her for a recipe. I don't know how to cook it properly. She knows how to make rendang too, yeah. But rendang is like, so that recipe is my family recipe rendang. So no one else cook rendang like we do. It's different. Like you know how rendang is always brown? Oh my god. Yeah. I'll try it. Yeah. Yep. Yep, we'll see you after. Alright guys. Good stuff, man.
Are we gonna go Uncle Man?
We're just gonna
We're gonna go check out the new
Uncle Man.
in Manukau. Right, bye.
We're back, just like another crack addict. Ayo, it's BWG here. Just another weekend, and today we got an unboxing. Yeah, special unboxing for you guys. It's winter time. You know how I was saying, Auckland's been real cold. Bought a jacket from SSENSE, and if you guys don't know, SSENSE does a crazy sale every year, and they sell like 75% to like sometimes even 90%, guys. 90% on like crazy like designer clothing. So we got a big ass unboxing here. Look how big this box is. Whoa, my boy. Let's see what we got for winter. Ching. We got Good trick, man. If you're handling a knife, you don't want to cut yourself, always point it outwards. That's what we got. Oh damn, look at this, man. Comes. Whoa, alright, let's do this right. Yo, this is premium packaging. Big ass box. Comes with a
Suit protector.
yeah, I don't know what. If you guys know what this is called, please comment below. Boom. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, this is what we got, man. Super long, super puffy, crazy red puffer jacket from. This is a cool brand that I just found out this year, to be honest. They're a Korean brand. They're called Ader. This jacket was on 75% sale, I think, when I got it. So I saved quite a bit for a designer jacket. Just a little bit of info. It's made in Korea. Ader, 100%. So it's rayon and polyester, but the filling is like 80% duck down and 20% duck feather. This is gonna keep me warm, man. This is super duper good for like the winter right now. And this is an oversized cut, so that's amazing. The hood is removable, so you don't need to wear it with the hood. So you know, you can just do crazy and just wear the hood by itself, man. It's a thing. It's a thing. It comes with buckles.
I like the buckles.
Yeah, the buckles are real good. Quality wise, damn man, this was well worth the money. One thing I really like about the design when I saw it in the pictures, and hopefully you guys see it in the outfit as well, is that the cut, like the top part and the bottom part, where the red meets the navy, super dark navy blue, you can see like it's asymmetric. That's a very cool kind of design feature that all Ader era like design. That's why I was like gravitating towards Ader era. Like it's just nice modern cuts, and just the asymmetrical part is just wow. Very saranghae, man. Hey, saranghae. Definitely gonna wear this to all the lineup from now on, so you guys will see me wearing this a lot. Good investment for sure. Especially if you live in New Zealand. You need one of these jackets. You need a puffer jacket if you live in New Zealand. Like, yeah, touch it. Like, oh my god, it's like walking around
Your bed.
yeah, with your bed around your body. That's me, by the way. I just sleep anywhere.
Because you're homeless.
Because I'm homeless. Whoop. Outfit of the day, guys. Today we'll be styling these bad boys. Air Max 1 Habanero colorway. They're gray and this habanero red. They look kind of orangey, reddish. Depending on the light, man, they look amazing balls. Alright, start from the bottom. We are wearing the Air Max 1 habanero women's colorway. Man, don't sleep on these. The prices are really good on these. I got this for a steal, man, on Facebook. So, like I said, man, deals are out there, but you just gotta find them, man. And in terms of the pants, I am wearing my Y3 pants. I love these pants. They're so versatile. They're super baggy, which is great for this outfit because this jacket is so big. So you need to really
bag it up.
yeah, you gotta bag it up, man. Gotta bag it up. And for the t-shirt, I'm wearing another baggy ass t-shirt, man. Cause jacket is so warm. I didn't really need to wear anything like thicker underneath, to be honest. I just wore my big ass oversized t-shirt from Palm Angels. American eagle flag print in the middle. This is huge. And by the way, I'm wearing a size medium, so if you guys want to get this t-shirt or any of the oversized t-shirt from Palm Angels, I would recommend going small, to be honest, unless you're a big ass dude. This, look how big that is. I'm flying, man. I'm flying. Murika! A great print, amazing print. Oh, it's so soft. Don't you guys just love like soft t-shirt? Oh, it feels like one of those crazy vintage, 20-year-old vintage t-shirt, man. Yeah. It feels so good on skin, bro. And you have like hard nipples like me. You know how that feel like. In terms of the hat, I am just wearing my polo bear hat. I think the blue and the red really complements the other red and blue of the jacket as well, and the shoes. And for the ring, I'm wearing my red ring, and just a chain, I'm just wearing my small silver chain. I wish I have a thicker chain because everything is so big. I wanted something bigger so I can look like one of those rappers that rap. I'm a rapper that gonna rap around her. You see me, fam? That's how we do it right in here. All rhymes. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for these dope outfits. And see you guys next week.